In this video, I'm going to show you how to install towel hooks so that they are mounted firmly, don't come wobbly or fall out. Have you ever had a towel hook or anything else that is mounted to drywall and it comes loose after a while and it's like this, or maybe it even falls out because too much weight on the hook? I'm going to show you how I prevent this. All right, first of all, you're going to get a package of drywall plugs and screws and an Allen key with your bathroom hook. Just get rid of this, keep the Allen key, you're going to need it, but everything else in there, just put it aside. You can use it for something else. Instead, get yourself some drywall plugs like these. And they come with their own screws. Make sure you use those screws. Don't use a different screw in these. But there's another drywall plug with a flat but pointy end where you can punch it into the drywall and then start screwing. Those are really good too. But for this purpose, these will work. Plus, we're going to show you another trick to help you keep those wall anchors in the wall. So in case you've never installed anything like this before, here you're going to have a set screw. You're going to want to undo this set screw, back it off, tip it upside down here so that your wall mount comes out. Your bathroom hook is going to fit over this wall mount, and that's why you tighten up this set screw so that it does not let go. So I'm just going to take a screw, you could use a pencil, and we're going to go to the wall and we're going to mark where we want to put our screws to hold the wall mount for our bathroom hook. Okay, I figure we'll put one hook here and then we'll put another one over here kind of thing. But what we'll do is we'll mark our hole. And we'll just grab our screw like this. Put just a little hole in your paint there. Make sure it's kind of vertical. There we go, we got two holes, not sure if you can see them. Now we're going to grab our drywall plug and we're going to grab a hammer and we're going to put it in that first hole. And we're going to puncture a hole there through the drywall, break it through, do the next hole. Now you're probably thinking, why doesn't he just drive it in now? Well, I could, but I'm going to show you another trick first. Actually, we could get away with putting this in here now. All right, this is the secret ingredient, and you may have seen this in other videos I've done, but I put PL adhesive on the threads of this screw. And when you screw that in, you're going to get a little bit of a PL adhesive that sneaks out, but you can wipe it off. But there's going to be PL on the threads and inside the hole in the drywall, and it's going to bond and dry up really hard, and it's going to help secure these drywall plugs in that wall so that they will likely never fall out. You can get this PL construction adhesive. It's made by LePage. You can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, just about anywhere. But I'll put links to this PL down below in the description so you can just grab it quick on Amazon if you need to. Now I'm going to put some of this PL just up here on the threads. You don't need a lot. Because like I said, a lot of it's going to come out and squeeze out, and you're going to have to wipe it off anyway. So that's all I'm going to use. You don't need lots. And I have it around the threads here. Now you're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and you're going to turn this drywall plug into the wall. You can see that PL working its way into that hole. Just go until it's snug. Don't over tighten these because it could spin and then it's not going to hold properly. So make sure you don't over tighten these. And I have some tissue ready just in case, or for when I do wipe off the excess PL adhesive. There, just tighten it just good enough. Now some of that drywall has squeezed out, so I'm going to remove excess. Try not to make a big mess here. Now we're going to take our mount for our bathroom hook, and we're going to screw it into those drywall plugs. And make sure you put your mount on this way. And we're going to screw that into place. Start our other screw, put it in the center of that drywall plug. And again, don't over tighten this because you could end up turning your drywall plug inside the hole that's made in the drywall. Now, the way I did this, put that drywall plug in there with that PL adhesive, that's a very tight fit in there and it's going to hold well. Again, don't over tighten these. It isn't going anywhere anyway. You don't have to go crazy with them. There we have our mount in place. And when that PL dries in there with the wall plug, it's going to be bonded so well in there. You'll probably never, ever have this bathroom hook fall off. This is fast, it's easy, and you don't need a drill. Now with our bathroom hook and our set screw in place, just put it in on the first thread. We're going to put it over our wall mount like this. And we're going to snug it up. There we go. Our bathroom hook is securely mounted. And like I said, when that PL dries, it's going to never fall out. Now I won't show installing the other one because I already showed you how to do one, but it's that easy. It only took minutes, especially without a drill or a drill gun, and very little mess. Now you could also use this PL adhesive trick for hollow doors. Say you want to hang a bathroom hook on a hollow door, your bathroom door. I got a video that shows you how to do that, and it's right here to the left. Go ahead and watch that next. I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.